Hey, Daniel Young here, Kingdom Roofing Systems. Hey, listen, guys, I want you to put this on your calendar right now. January the 19th, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have put together a group of industry-leading experts that is going to lay out their 2021 strategy for sustainability and growth, navigating through a weird economic time, and plus we got COVID going on. We have David Miller, who was a national storm chaser, who got sick and tired of getting kicked in the teeth by insurance carriers that were doing illegal things. He went back, got his license, became an attorney, and now represents almost every master elite and OC Platinum roofing contractor in the state of Indiana. He's going to lay out the strategies of the carriers and how to counteract them. We have Dustin Reese, Gladiator Roofing, been in business 9 months and did $10 million while starting a startup roofing company. Then we turn around, we have John Dye, Art of the Supplement. He's got the American Contracting Show. He's a partner at Balance Claims. He is going to show us all how to drive net profit revenue on the back end supplementing side of the industry that gives you the ability to scale your business without having to build a monster in-house supplementing team. And I'm Daniel Young, the founder of Kingdom Roofing Systems. We're an OC Platinum roofing contractor. We're Mastic Elite. We're James Hardy Preferred. We have 3 offices here in Indiana, and we have built a sustainable business by leveraging technology, automations, and building a team that doesn't turn over. We have grown with 50% of revenue and staff year over year for 5 years running. Jump on this call with us. It's a webinar, January the 19th, 1 p.m. Get the strategies from these experts, guys. Invest in yourself. You are your best investment. Hey, have a good day, guys.